back to class. How have you been? It's a good day. Today we'll be considering how we can identify main ideas from our passages. Not just passages, because we are not going to start with passages. We're going to start with sentences, and then we'll go through paragraphs, and then we'll see passages. Have you ever picked up a particular book and you struggle through it because you do not understand what the whole book is talking about? You know what the problem was? You couldn't identify the main idea of that passage. So today, how do we identify the main idea of a passage? Let's get started. What is the main idea? That's the first thing we should look out for. What do we mean by main ideas? Main ideas are what the passage is talking about. What is a particular passage talking about? Oh, I pick up a book, I read a sentence, I read a paragraph, I do not understand it. What is it talking about? Calm down, all right? So, the first thing we should do is to ask ourselves, what is the main idea? The main idea is all that the passage is talking about. Main idea, all that the passage is talking about. So, what is this passage talking about? What is this sentence talking about? What is this paragraph talking about? So, once you are able to identify this, it becomes easy. How do we identify it? Identify your topic. What's the topic for this passage? What topic can I give this paragraph? What is my topic? What is the topic for this passage? So once you identify your topic, and to identify your topic, you have to read through the whole passage, all right? Read through the whole passage to identify your topic. Once you read through, summarize the topic. Summarize the topic. What can you say about the passage you've read? What are the things that stood out for you? What are the things you should take note of? And then ask yourself, are there repetitions of ideas in this passage? Do I need to pay attention to certain words? Ask yourself those questions. Imagine I pick up a particular book, and then in the book it was a story about a particular girl. The parents sent the girl on an errand. The girl went to play somewhere else. You know, she didn't deliver the message that was sent, only for her to return and start saying, "Oh, I forgot. I didn't remember. Oh, you sent me that." Now, if I ask you what's the main idea of that passage, you'll talk to me about disobedience, right? Yes, that means we should pay attention. Then, if the disobedience is being repeated over and over again, or the idea about the concept of disobedience, someone sending someone errands, someone rejecting, someone refusing, all right, so what do you pay attention to? The concept disobedience. You pay attention to that, and you can easily draw out your main idea with that. So ask yourself, what is this passage talking about? Then ask yourself again, can I summarize this? Okay, what are the things I should pay attention to? Apart from that, is there any repeated word? Are there repeated ideas? Are there repeated words that I need to know? Once you've done that, it's easy for you to say, oh, that's my main idea. All right, that's my main idea. So it's become easy. So you will be able to tell this is exactly what the passage is talking about. This is what I should pay attention to in this passage. All right, that is it. Do we understand? All right. So I'm going to leave you with this slide. It contains a paragraph that you need to identify. You're going to read through. I'm going to give you a few minutes. All right. So you're going to read through it, and then you tell me what the passage is all about. Here we go. So read the passage, read it slowly, and ensure that you can tell what the passage is all about. Pay close attention to the repeated ideas or the repeated words, all right? Okay? Go ahead and read. So tell me, what's the passage all about? Okay, a new hearing device. Can you see that? It's as simple as that. A new hearing device is available for some. Interesting. I'm glad you were able to point that out. All right. So we will have other passages where you will be able to identify the main ideas. Thank you for coming to class. I hope you enjoyed today's class. When you get back to the house, just ensure that you take up sentences, you take up paragraphs, and then passages and identify the main idea in there. I'm sure you're going to do that. All right. Have a great day.